As an artist, if I had to sum myself up in three words, I'd go with poetic, feminine, and high-spirited. When I dive into painting, you'll always find me dancing to music, and this music-infused vibe ends up in my work with lively colors, tons of movement, and some interesting angles. I absolutely love putting together compositions where the relationship of my subject and elements would interact and encourage a story. The best part, when people who see my art come up with their own versions of what it's all about. Hence, the circus of symbolic porcelains, surreal setting or location, the playful mestizas, hobby or profession, etc. I embrace my identity as a feminine artist because my work is all about weaving emotions into narratives and vibrant color stories. You'll often find my muses, these mestizas, fully immersed in their elements. They might be indulging in feasts or elegant tea parties with their fellow ladies, losing themselves in the enchantment of music, observing birds in nature, or simply basking in the abundance of nature. I found it truly captivating how the Filipinas of today embody a remarkable blend of qualities. They embrace their femininity and openly express sentiment and emotion, all while exuding strength, fearlessness, industriousness, and remarkable talent. They effortlessly navigate diverse environments and remain nurturing and devoted to their families, all while not sacrificing self-care and beauty. These multifaceted creatures are a true testament of what is to be a Filipino, and I am proud of how we collectively shape the country in our own beautiful way. I am Gene Artango-Villasper, Modern Mestizas, a reverie of elegance, empowerment, and beauty.